Nicole here with Bottoms Down Chair Yoga for Everyone. I want to take a moment to thank you for all of your support for Bottoms Down. Since launching the YouTube channel 18 months ago, we've created over 230 videos and amassed about 10,000 views. And I truly appreciate each and every subscriber and viewer. With that being said, it might be challenging at times to figure out how to make Bottoms Down work best for you. So here are a few tips. Tip number 1, create your space. So I'm not only talking about a place to practice yoga. Obviously, you'll need to have a physical space in your home or office where you can practice quietly and comfortably. But also, create space in your life for chair yoga. Make it a priority. You don't have to invest hours. I truly believe that just coming to your chair and connecting to your breath for even a short amount of time is beneficial. Tip number 2, stick with a sequence. Bottoms Down videos are designed to build upon a sequence of movements and yoga poses. So there are generally 9 practices within a category that focus on one theme. And a theme can be an emotion, or a body area, or a goal, like weight loss. We release about 2 videos per week within that theme. And I recommend that you choose a theme, stick with it for a week or longer. This will allow you to build upon previous poses to increase physical strength, stamina, and flexibility, as well as mental well-being. Tip number 3, to sit or not. So Bottoms Down is structured so that you can choose whether you want to stay seated or if you want to stand. We all have days when we might prefer one over the other, and Bottoms Down provides the flexibility for you to choose. That's why one of the ways we organize playlists is by position, so that you can select what works best for you today. There are multiple videos within a category or theme that include all seated, some seated, and more standing. So you can stick with a sequence of movements and poses, and yet select how you want to experience the practice today. Tip number 4, always relax and breathe. So it can be tempting to fast forward through the beginning of each practice where we bring our focus inward, ground to the earth, and connect to our breath. These rituals are important as they set the tone for our yoga practice. Similarly, it's important to relax with Shavasana pose at the end of each practice. You really miss out on important benefits of yoga by skimping on these moments to breathe and relax. So take a look at tip number 1 and set yourself up for success by creating your own yoga space, both physically, the space in your home or office, and mentally, your head space. Tip number 5, make it a habit. So creating a new habit takes time and effort, and reminders can help. When you subscribe to the Bottoms Down YouTube channel, you'll receive a notification when a new video is posted. So we currently post new videos at 9 a.m. Mountain Time on Sunday and Wednesday. So add Bottoms Down Chair Yoga into your schedule and get excited knowing that you'll have a new video to practice twice a week. I'm super excited to continue to bring chair yoga to your home or office. I hope that these tips help you maximize your Bottoms Down chair yoga experience. I'll see you next time for Bottoms Down Chair Yoga for Everyone.